Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can permanently uninstall Bolt app from your smartphone. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So to permanently remove the app together with its files, you can do this by just long pressing on your app, and you should see we have this option to uninstall the app. However, if you can't see this option, then you need to search for your app. If you are on Android, go to App Store. If you're on Android like me, then go to Google Play Store. So from Google Play Store, make sure you search for your app. I'll just search for Bolt, and as you can see, the app is installed. To see the uninstallation option, tap on it to open, and now we can uninstall it straight from here. To uninstall, now tap on it and confirm that indeed you want to uninstall Bolt app. By doing so, now your app together with its files will be removed completely from your smartphone. As you can see here, now this is the app that we have removed. Within some minutes it should disappear, and look at that, it is now gone. So that's how you can permanently uninstall Bolt app from your smartphone. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.